Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to continue on our journey of learning to crochet. On my last video, we did a slip stitch and a foundation chain. So this one, continuing with our basic stitches, we're going to learn how to do a single crochet. So this one is going to be probably the first stitch you'll ever learn. So without further ado, I'm going to turn the camera down and I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so I have my yarn and I have my hook and I'm ready to get started. So the first step is to make your slip stitch. 2 fingers under the yarn, you're going to be making an X with your working yarn, like so. Now hold on to the X, flip your fingers, you have 2 loops, take your hook, under, over, and pull. Okay, so now I'm ready to get started on my chains. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. I have a more in-depth detail of the foundation chain and slip stitch. I will put that in the description below. But these are my chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I'm ready to get started with my first row. So as you can see, I have one chain right next to my hook. I am not going to go in that chain. I'm actually going to go in the next one. So I am actually going to crochet in actually one of the 2 V's on the left side. So inserting my hook, insert my hook, yarn over, pull through. All right, yarn over, both loops. Alright, remember I'm only going in one of the loops of that V. Insert my hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops. And you're just going to keep going down your row until you reach the end. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, both loops. Alright, so I'm at the end. And you see there's a V here and then my slip stitch. You're not going to be going in that slip stitch. You're only going to go in that V. Alright, insert my hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops. Alright, and you have finished your first row. Now, when you go on to the next row, it's going to be a little different. Now that we got a foundation of our project, we're going to chain 1. We're going to flip over our work. You're always going to be going from right to left if you are right-handed. Okay, so this time I'm actually going to be going into both loops. You see the V's right here? You're going to go into both of those V's. Here, maybe I can show you right there. You're just going to keep going all the way down your row. All right, insert into both loops. Insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops. Okay, and that is single crochet. Insert my hook into both loops, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops. So every time you do crochet moving forward, you're going to go into both loops. The only time when you go into one is for your foundation chain. Okay, we have reached the end, and you see there's a V right there, but you also see a little bit of the chain on the side. You do not want to go in that little chain. You only want to go into that little V at the top. Takes a few tries to find it, but when you do, you'll definitely know. Right in there. All right, insert my hook. It's a little tricky. Alright, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops. And that's it. That's your single crochet. So that's it. This is the single crochet. As you can see, this is a very dense stitch compared to the other stitches that you'll learn on this channel. So this is meant for very warm projects like earmuffs, gloves, or small projects like a plushie. So if you like this kind of content, feel free and grab your yarn and subscribe. And then let's crochet and comment together down below. If you have any questions, let's hook in that bell. That way you know the next time I post a new video. Bye.